Now I'll show you how to hyperlink email address. So when you've got email address like on a contact us page, don't leave it blank. Make sure that it's hyperlinked so people can click on it and email you from their default email program. So in order to do that, it's very easy to implement. You just need a short piece of code like this one. Simply copy and paste it into your page, and I'll show you exactly where. So go to your contact us page and click on view source. So this little icon here at the corner, and paste it right where the email address starts. And now you have to cut the actual email address and paste it into those fields within the code, so people can see your email address as being hyperlinked. So under mail to, paste it as well. So it looks like that. Hrefs, mail to your email address, and then code ends, the text, and then the link ends. And then simply click save. And this is how it looks in your store. As you can see, the email address is now activated and hyperlinked.